What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Just installed the fourth brake light on my Scion TC 2nd gen. I'm going to take you through the journey and the struggles and the setbacks that happened while installing it, but nonetheless still a simple, easy do-it-yourself project that will elevate the aesthetics of your Scion TC. Let's get to the video.
Alright, beautiful people, forgot to record the audio, so I'm going to run it through with this voiceover. First, we're going to remove the panel for the fourth brake light, and then we're going to use a bit drill to create a pilot hole so that the attachment piece that came with the lighting kit will be able to puncture through that pilot hole and create the inch diameter hole so that we're able to place the light bulb in there. This is a kit. I'm going to tag it in the description, so it helps a lot because it, as you can see, provides the hole for you. I had to make it a little bit bigger, so I had to alter it with the bit drill around the edges so that it can fit a little smoother in there. But once it's in, it's snug, it's not moving. This one didn't have the grooves that you put in and twist. This one was just a plug and play. Once the bulb is situated, we're going to pop the panel behind the tail light so that we can access the wiring. We're going to use a flathead screwdriver to pop the cable out, and then here is one of the most frustrating parts, was feeding the wire through the bottom to the top. Since the wires are flimsy, I had to get a sturdy wire to wrap around so that it would be more sturdy as I fed it through the top, as you can see, that green one. Then I unwired it so that I would be able to start playing with the T-clamps. Now here's the trick with the T-clamps, is give yourself more slack up the wire so that you're able to plug and play the T-clamps. I was essentially messing up in the beginning and keeping it very close to the plastic piece, so I cut the wrapping around the wire so that I had more give on that wire to plug and play. So now the fun begins. I found this diagram through somebody who already installed it previously that helped a lot. Follow the picture here, okay? One at a time with the T-clamps, and you start matching up what is on this picture, and make sure that when you T-clamp it one at a time that you're pressing down and making sure that the wires are going to make contact through that splice of the T-clamp, okay? Just check it out. Black goes with the black and white stripe on the tail light. The red is going to go with the green wire with this red dot. You can't miss it. And then the blue is going to go with the green and white stripe. Follow the diagram. I promise you it's easier than it looks. Just make sure that you're clamping down and making sure that those wires are making contact. That's where I messed up on the first time around, is that it didn't bypass the shell of the wire. So it wasn't making direct contact with each other, and I thought I did something wrong because the light wasn't turning on. So make sure that you're clamping down. I'm going to show you here in this next clip. I'm thinking moment of truth, nothing happens. I hit the brake, turn on the lights just to make sure, and guess what? Nothing happens again. I start to sweat bullets. Is it me? Is it the bulb? What's going on? So I go back and I undo each T-clamp at a time, and lo and behold, the wires aren't completely cut through to make contact with one another. So what I stated earlier is you want to give yourself some slack up the wire, because, guys, I fixed two of them, but one of them, the red that attaches to the green with the dot wire, I almost cut completely through. And so I just decided to make the contact and electric tape it around, just so that I was safe on not cutting through completely on the wire. And after that, I put everything back and we tried it out again. We go try it again, we turn that sucker on. Boom! Suckers! And the fourth brake light turns on. Super excited. All you have to do now is put that sucker back in the panel and reattach it at the bottom and screw it back in. And we were ready to go, guys. So there you have it, quick and simple. And here's the outro.
Guys, and there you have it. Just installed the fourth brake light on our Scion TC. An easy do-it-yourself to amplify the aesthetics of your Scion. I do want to take the time to thank Derek Aquino and his channel who helped me install the fourth brake light, and he has a ton of do-it-yourself videos to upgrade your Scion TC. And then also another thank you to a random person who drew the diagram for the wiring that helped out a lot that I couldn't see on Derek's videos. But nonetheless, we got it figured out. Just make sure that you are clamping down on the T-clamps and that is bypassing that covering of the wire so that they can make contact together. That was the struggle that I was having. But other than that, guys, hopefully you liked the video. Hopefully you got some value out of it. Smash that thumbs up, quick and easy. Comment if you're doing it to your second gen. Until the next video, guys, peace.